I'll have to quickly move on to some breaking news coming in now, and this is related to Hyderabad Airport exit plan. Times now has accessed this exit plan prepared by the authorities at Hyderabad Airport, and the airport authorities in fact have chalked out a robust exit plan for when citizens can resume air travel. As of now, there is no date fixed for it, but several airports across the country are preparing for the days when the lockdown would be over and once again air services will start. Self-declaration forms, thermal screening, intense sanitization procedures and digital payments would be some of the new travel norms that will come into place. Senior editor Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan has more inputs on the story. Madhav, like other airports, particularly Delhi and Mumbai, now even Hyderabad Airport coming out with a robust exit plan.
Well, absolutely. In fact, we've accessed these visuals which really show the details of what really this exit plan means on ground. Because what this really will mean is that, it will not be visiting an airport as completely normal as before. There will have to be obviously social distancing norms that would have to be put in place. There would also have to be, norms for sanitization, provisions for those who are wheelchair passengers. All of that has been put in place. Also, payments, as you rightly put it, will have to be done digitally. All of those, basic requirements that are there, the boxes that we see outside shops, for instance, for lines, all of that also finding its way inside airport terminal buildings. So a number of such aspects which really mean that the airport and, air travel as it is has drastically changed. All of that very clearly visible in the visuals that we have access as far as the operational preparedness, the self-check-in facilities, for instance, SBD machines, right, which have been encouraged drastically. Social distancing also being put in place with those markers on the floor, and acrylic glass shields in check-in counters are really some of the major differences that we will see once we enter terminals such as the Hyderabad Airport.
Okay. Madhav, thanks very much for getting us those exclusive details on the exit plan which is being chalked out at Hyderabad Airport. With that, it's time for us to take a very quick break here. Headlines and top stories are lined up on the other side.